Welcome to the online classes. In last class, we are discussed regarding to the solar power generation. Solar power generation is good, eco-friendly power generation system. Plenty of input energy source is there. Depending upon our ability, we will convert that much of plenty of solar energy into useful form. But coming to the practical situations, the main drawback is the solar radiation is available only in daytimes. At night time, there is no solar radiation. At the same time, the power produced by the solar panel is a DC power. But our distribution system, utility system is at AC supply. That means there is a need to convert generated DC voltage into AC voltage. One more thing is that each solar cell can only produce 0.5 volts. That's why there is also need to step up the voltage levels of solar panel, which increases the large amount of installation cost in the solar power generation system. That's why to overcome all these problems, the next alternative is wind power generating systems. This is the wind power generating system. So now we are going to discuss about wind power generating systems. See here, you are already observed the windmills like this at some spots during your journey. So that means here what is meant by wind power generation. Before we are going to discuss about this wind power generation, first we will discuss about wind and wind energy. Generally, what is the meaning of wind? Wind means it is the movement of air from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure. Why wind is exist means it is due to the uneven heating of the earth surface. Due to solar radiation, there is a movement of air from high pressure area to the low pressure area. Such movement of air is called wind here. And what is meant by wind energy? The energy possessed by the wind. What is the energy possessed by the wind? The kinetic energy. The kinetic energy associated with the movement of large mass of air. The kinetic energy of large mass of air is called wind energy. Wind energy means it is a form of kinetic energy. So here this wind energy is a clean, cheap and eco-friendly renewable energy source like solar energy. So here which is provided by the nature and there is no pollution in the wind energy utilization. That's why which is eco-friendly renewable energy source. So one more thing is that by using a device that is called turbine, this turbine is used to convert the wind energy or the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy. Such a type of a turbine is called wind turbine. In the previous classes, we have discussed two types of turbines: steam turbine, water turbine. When the turbine converts heat energy of steam into mechanical energy, that is called steam turbine. When the turbine converts the kinetic energy of water into mechanical energy, that is called water turbine. But here it is wind turbine. When the turbine converts the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy, is called wind turbine. And this mechanical energy is given to the alternator or generator, which can convert mechanical energy of wind turbine into electrical energy. That's why electrical energy is generated in the wind power generation system. One more thing is that moderate to high speeds winds, moderate to high speed winds, typically from 5 meter per second to 25 meter per second, are considered as a favorable winds for most of the wind turbines. Because of due to this much of potential of winds, we can generate the enough energy or more electrical energy. That's why the minimum wind is required for the wind turbine is 5 meter per second, and 25 meter per second velocity is some much more velocity. So these are helpful to generate a sufficient electrical energy from the wind power generation system. And now coming to the role and the potential of wind energy option. What is the role of wind energy? Means here, as like as a solar power generation, wind energy is one of the fastest growing renewable energy technologies nowadays. Compared to the solar energy system, this wind energy nowadays is the fastest growing renewable energy source. What is the reason behind that? Means wind energy is a clean, cheap, eco-friendly renewable energy source. One more thing is that because of reduced costs, the usage of wind power increases from past 2 decades. Here, step by step operation of wind power system, the cost of power generation can be reduced gradually from past 2 decades. So if you can observe that increment, global installed wind power generation capacity in onshore and offshore has increased by a factor of 75% in the past 2 decades, and developed from 7 gigawatts to 564 gigawatts. Gigawatt means 1 into 10 to the power of 9 watts. So that means here from past 2 decades, the wind energy power generation can be increased from 7.5 gigawatts to 564 gigawatts. That is the main role of wind energy. Why it can be increased means the role of the cost of the power generation can also decreases. That is the reason. The cost for production of wind power is reduces gradually from past 2 decades. That's why power generation capacity can also increase. So here we are using 2 words here, onshore and offshore. What is mean by onshore wind power generation and offshore wind power generation? Onshore wind power generation means the wind turbines are located on Earth. Offshore means the windmills are located at under the water level, under the ocean. That is the basic difference between onshore and offshore. Onshore means which are located at hilly areas or where wind energy is available on earth lands. Offshore means those windmills are located under ocean or under sea, under water level. So here in the role, one more thing is that wind is used to produce electricity using the kinetic energy created by air in motion. After this kinetic energy of air can be transformed into electric energy using wind turbines or wind energy conversion system. The main role of wind is which can be utilized as for the production of electrical energy. How means first wind can be converted into mechanical energy. The kinetic energy of wind can be converted into mechanical energy with the help of wind turbine. After that, this turbine mechanical energy can be converted into electrical energy by using alternators or generators. But in these two mechanisms, there are lot amount of complexity is there. There is a lot amount of controllability is involved. To control the wind power, we can use wind energy conversion systems. We will discuss in a simple manner, no problem. So here the potential of wind energy. What is the potential of wind energy? Many parts of the world have strong wind speeds, but the best location for generating wind power are remote areas. Remote areas means the areas which are far away from the cities, means open areas, hilly areas. Hilly areas are the main potential for the wind energy. Offshore wind power offers tremendous potential for wind power. Why? Because of under seaside, lot amount of wind energy is available. That's why offshore wind power offers a tremendous potential for wind power. One more thing is that small individual wind turbine can produce 100 kilowatts of power. This 100 kilowatts of power is enough for household applications. At the same time, this is also enough for the water pumping stations. And one more thing is that slightly larger wind turbines sit on towers. Wind turbines, they are mounted on towers. Mounted on towers means again like this. This is the wind turbine which has blades. When those are mounted on turbine, what happens means towers that are as tall as 18 meters and the rotor blades that are approximately 40 meters can generate 1.8 megawatts of electric power. And if we can use 240 meters of tower, they can generate 4.8 to 9.5 megawatts of power. That means when we can increase the height of the tower, the power generation from that tower can also increase. That is the potential of the wind energy. One more thing is that once electrical energy is generated from wind, it can be used or either it can be connected to the electrical grid system. Electrical grid system means the grid is the integrating part of all energy sources. So here grid is nothing but which can be given to the another customers or another load centers. But here if you are not connected to the grid, you can utilize your own purpose. But grid means the electric power is given to the some other persons, some other utility systems to the electrical grid, or otherwise we can store the generated power from the wind turbine. This is one more important potentiality of wind energy. So here due to this large amount of potentiality of wind power generation, which growth can be increases from past 2 decades. Compared to solar, windmill installations are increases. What are the reason behind that means? The cost of power generation can be reduced. At the same time, there is no fuel required here. And the installation cost is less compared to the solar system. And here, the power produced from the wind power generation is AC. Why? Because of here we are used generators. Alternators we are using here. Sorry, AC generators we are using here. So that's why what happened, directly AC will come. AC came from the wind turbine. Then we can easily transfer to the AC distribution system. Due to these advantages, this is encourageable nowadays. And windmill. What is meant by windmill here? Windmill means, see, a windmill is a structure which converts wind power or kinetic energy of wind into rotational energy by means of its blades. Right? So here windmill means simply it is a wind turbine. Wind turbine is having blades. Whenever wind strikes the blades of wind turbine, the blades are rotating. That means they can produce mechanical energy. That's why the blades can convert kinetic energy of wind into rotational energy or mechanical energy. So here, depending upon the rotation of blades of wind turbine with respect to rotational axis of the wind turbine with respect to ground, the windmills or wind turbines are classified into two types. Those are horizontal axis wind turbine and vertical axis wind turbine. These are the two basics wind turbines are used for the wind power generation. But for nowadays, we are using a horizontal axis wind turbine for the wind power generation. Why? What is the reason behind that? Now we will see. So if we can see the horizontal axis wind turbines, what is mean by horizontal axis wind turbine? Horizontal axis wind turbine means which is a rotating axis of the wind turbine is horizontal or parallel with the ground. The rotating axis of the wind turbine is a horizontal or parallel with the ground. See, when which can be rotates. What happened here? With respect to ground, which is parallel. With respect to ground, which is parallel. So that's why which is called horizontal axis wind turbine. So here, a horizontal axis wind turbine rotor shafts and electrical generator at the top of the tower. In this horizontal axis wind turbine, what is the arrangement means? The rotor shafts and the generators are at the top of the tower and must point into the wind. See here. This is the axis, it's a blades, and here it is the rotor. The rotating part is the rotor. Rotor axis and the generator behind that generators. So these two are mounted on the tower in the horizontal axis wind turbine. So here, this horizontal axis wind turbine are having 2 or 3 blades. The less number of blades are economical for the production of more power. That's why we are using only 2 or 3 blades. Why? Because of which covers the total wind energy utilization. That is the reason behind that. So here, for big wind applications, horizontal wind axes are used because of they produce more errors. Why? Because of which has only 2 or 3 blades. The inertia is less. The inertia of the tower or system, wind power generating system is less for this horizontal axis wind turbine. That's why this can be used for high power application. That means from this we can generate more power. This is a horizontal axis wind turbine. So that's why we can use this horizontal axis wind turbines nowadays very widely due to these advantages and due to these construction features. And coming to the vertical axis wind turbine, here the rotational axis of the turbine is vertical or perpendicular to the ground. It is not like as a horizontal axis wind turbine. Here in this, the rotational axis of the turbine is vertical or perpendicular to the ground. Here, see here. See here. What happened here? Which is perpendicular to the ground. Which is perpendicular to the ground. Here, this rotation is like this. This rotation is like this. So that's why what happened means which is perpendicular to the ground. That's why which is called a vertical axis wind turbine. So vertical axis wind turbine blades are attached to top and the bottom of vertical rotor. See here. At the top side, blades are attached and the bottom of vertical rotor. See here. Here, blades are attached at the top side, and this is the vertical rotor. Bottom is vertical rotor. This is vertical rotor. This is vertical rotor. And here, what happened? Blades are top side. That's why the construction also different from the horizontal axis wind turbine, because the rotor axis is placed on the top of the tower, here. But here the rotor axis is at the bottom of the tower, bottom of the blades. That is the main difference between the horizontal axis wind turbine and the vertical axis wind turbine. And the most common type of vertical axis wind turbine is Darris wind turbine. Generally, they are 100 feet tall and 50 feet wide. construction is very huge, complex. Inertia is also there. Large amount of wind blades are used. That means compared to horizontal axis wind turbine, in this they can use more turbine blades. That's why what happens, inertia can be increases. Finally, the speed is less. So here, that's why power generation can also less. Only few vertical axis wind turbines are used nowadays because of they do not work. Why? Because due to these drawbacks. Construction is a main drawback here. Due to large inertia, speed is less. That's why what happens finally power generation can also less here. That is the main drawback. That's why they are not used nowadays. These are used for only low power wind generating systems. Low power wind generating system. So this is a simple vertical axis wind turbine. So that is the thing actually. Okay. So thank you.